Going on, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ, and I have a sale coming up here. It is going to start January 15th, and it's going to be through the end of the month, and it's going to be for Valentine's Day. This is going to go for all you Sea-Doo guys that are wanting mounts, and for you guys that want to get something for the gals. Pink. This is going to be a limited run, guys. You don't have to choose this. You can choose whatever colors you want, but the pink, just know that if you do want the pink mounts, it is a limited time only. So hopefully we can make it through the end of the sale. If not, they'll be listed as out. But I'm going to offer 2 combos to save you guys some money. You can always go and choose the mounts that you want. It's not a big deal. But these mounts here, I'm going to offer a 3 and 4 mount combo if you don't want to purchase just one mount, if you want them all. You can save yourself some money by buying the combo. So the 4 mount is going to come with a 360 Game Changer rear mount, the 360 Game Changer front mount, the 360 Game Changer side mount, as well as a selfie stick. Now the selfie sticks, guys, they're always going to be black, except limited run pink for Valentine's Day. So get these while you can. Choose whichever combo you want. If you guys are not wanting a combo, then I am going to have a 20% off coupon available. I will list that in the description here. Okay, so it's going to be V-Day 26, all one word, V-Day 26. Put it up here. So anyway, go ahead and grab your mounts as you want. Like here in Florida, we're still out riding. And guys, if you want to get your ladies the pink, yeah, this is pretty cool. So I will show a picture of what it actually looks like on the ski. Put it on my wife's blue ski, which is pretty cool. It looks pretty awesome on there. And get your mounts while you can, guys. Valentine's Day, remember, January 15th through the end of the month. It's going to give you guys plenty of time to get these in for Valentine's Day. Don't wait. Get them now. And use that code if you just want a single mount. If you're only wanting a front mount or whatever. V-Day 26. And remember, the pink is limited while supplies last. I don't know how long I'm going to have this color in stock, but all the other colors are here. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. And get the toughest mounts you can possibly buy, guys. We are the industry leader in mounts for your Sea-Doo. Flag mounts and camera mounts.